So I made it down to my buddy Carson's pond, and we're gonna do a little fishing challenge, see who can catch the most fish. I'm starting off with a whopper plopper. What you starting off with?
Starting off with a whopper plopper.
Or I'm starting off with a popper. He's starting with a whopper plopper. Carter, you're starting with a grub, right? Mm-hmm. Let's see if we can stink and slay them. All right, you are now on the GoPro. I'm fixing to get to fishing. There you go. Hope y'all can see good. All right. I'm starting off with this little popper, and I'm gonna try. There's some decent sized bass in here, but see if we can catch some, really any bass. Try to read all the comments, but if I don't read it, I'm sorry. Ooh. I may try a rooster tail or just a worm if this doesn't work. Got me a 3-pounder right here. What? Yeah, I think the best spot to fish is those logs with that grub. Uh-oh. Popper's got a piece of pine straw on it. Forgot to tell y'all, at the recording of this video is early August. So, it's still really hot because I live in the south. But there's a bunch of little bass that'll school up along the edge over here. So let's see if we can't get into a school of them. A couple months ago, or over the summer, I caught about 2.5, 3-pounder out of here on a. Yeah, it was like 2 point something. It was a good bass, but I caught him on a black worm or a lizard or something. You got him. Oh, something just hit it. May not be able to get that one back.
Yeah, that thing's stuck. You need to pull it?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of. Oh, no. I'm taking a hook.
There's pliers if you need to.
Must have just been a little branch or something.
This grass is getting all caught up on my whopper plopper. I just got a bite on top of this log. See if we can't hook into one.
Yeah, I saw some swimming around by the log right here.
Probably gonna walk down here to the dock, and if it's not, or if I don't get a bite by then, I'm gonna switch over to either a worm or maybe a crankbait or something, or a rooster tail. And earlier today, me and my friend Carter set up a minnow trap back at my house on the creek. We're gonna go back after we leave Carson's house and see if we got anything in there. We checked it earlier and we had a couple little green sunfish, and then I caught a green sunfish with a real tiny jig I had on. Huh. Yeah, you can just pull it off. Alright, go back to my tackle bag. You can either fish with you can keep fishing with a grub, or you can throw a worm or something on.
I might just keep with the grub.
Alright.
I was getting some tips off of it.
Grab the little tackle box.
Do what?
Grab the orange tackle box.
Okay.
Make a hop in the kayak that's over here. It's down there on the end. Oh! Do you guys see that? Something smoked it right there. See if we can get him to hit it again. The fish in this pond are really aggressive. Like, they love topwater stuff. Sometimes. And some days, it just ain't for them. Went fishing, or not fishing, well, fishing too, but went swimming in this pond too. Walked down this little beach right here. And swam. And it's about 90 degrees right now, so it'd feel nice to swim.
You got anything else off the pocket?
I got a bite just a second ago. I'll catch you guys in just a second. Alright, so now I got this Cinco tied on. I'm gonna see if I can get a big one on it. What? Usually we'd caught one by now. Alright, I got that knot figured out, so we're back in the game. I kind of want to start a podcast.
Everybody says that.
Man, I think it'd be pretty fun. I should gotta get some microphones.
Who would you interview?
Well, my friends first, and then, I don't know. But that'd probably be like way down the road, maybe a year or two. If I can get like a good following, I may be able to get some people out to be on the podcast. Yeah, this dock is a little bit sketchy.
It's because we broke it in half last time.
Yeah, not in half. Yeah, I just trust them more.
Yeah. So, to be safe.
Oh.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby. This pond has, so there's a creek, or what is it? Isn't there a spring that runs off over there? There's a spring that runs off over there. So, and there's a bunch of grass over on that side in the water, or near the water. And it's really shallow, and there's a bunch of little tiny bass. And then over here, along this bank, and this bank over here, there's more bigger bass. Yeah, then I won't be able to get the hook set and stuff. I wasn't videoing, but I just hooked into a good 2.5 pounder. I think this may have been the one that I missed just a second ago, but he was...
That thing swallowed that.
Yeah, he swallowed it.
Hey, Max, I'm gonna go grab the scale.
Alright. That's a good... It's kind of... no, he's healthy. He's probably a...
I think he's right around 2.
Yeah.
Like 2 and
My buddy just went to run get the scale. It's a healthy little bass, or healthy bass. Well, maybe not. Got something on him. So we just weighed him. He's about 1.5 pounds. It's a good healthy fish. Let's get a release on this guy. Gotta get out kind of far. Oh. Oh, you can't see. My buddy just snagged him a 3-pounder. I'd walk out here and get it since I'm already wet. Carson got him one over there. I don't know if y'all can see. I'll run over there real quick. Y'all can see him. Carson just caught him a pretty little, I don't know, 1/4 pounder, 1/2 pounder. Pretty little fish. Caught him right by that drain out there with a, what you got on there, curly tail?
no, I got a little yum bait, like a little yum dinger on it.
Little yum dinger. Nice fish.
Yeah, let's get a release of this one.
So we just all finished fishing. It's about 7:40, and we caught 2 bass. Caught 1 good one, 1 little dink. But we just had a good day of fishing. Or you call it a good day. We caught some bass, but don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. And we'll talk to you guys next Saturday. This is me editing. Don't mind my hair. I haven't taken a shower yet, but the footage that I'm about to play is from earlier in the day that me and Carter were out minnow trapping in the creek. So, hope you guys enjoy. What's up? I'm back with my buddy Carter. We just set up a minnow trap way down the creek down there. And then we got fishing poles. We're gonna catch you guys down there at the deep spot, or fishing hole, and catch you guys in. So, me and my buddy Carter went to the honey hole, but last time I was there, it wasn't dammed, or it didn't have a dam. So the water's been stagnant for so long, it's just dirty. So we came back to this deep spot, and we've had a minnow trap in there, and we got 1 decent sized brim, but I tied on this little tiny jig, and I'm gonna see if I can pull some more of these little green sunfish out of here. Okay, so we just caught these, well, there's 3, but we already threw the little tiny one back. We got these little tiny green sunfish Really pretty little panfish. But we're gonna dump some of this food out and then come back later, see if we can catch some more. This is more of a purebred brim. And then this minnow trap back out here. Come back later and see if we can get anything.